Goofy at Nissan. It's very goofy, all right. It's very goofy. Oh man, my girlfriend's gonna say something about that. Me saying it's a goofy Nissan. She's definitely gonna say something about that. I'm sorry. And my Nissan Destiny. And I'm gonna need some new tires up here soon. Sooner or later. Yeah. Yeah. What is that? Okay. You guys see that? Especially on the inside right there. Had the awful, honestly, I don't do a very good job at doing it with tire shine. I really don't. Just gonna be real with you right now. And I would like a front license thing. You gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Jeez, I mean, the back tires aren't too bad. So, and yes, I'm at the lake. Kiyoshi's favorite place on earth, besides with my girlfriend, besides her. The lake's one of my favorite places on earth. My What? My SR. There's something wrong with my hood latch. I'm like, serious. There's something wrong with it. Because every time I pull the lever inside, it doesn't pop. So, I don't know. Unless it has to be scooted over. And honestly, if you just look at it, you can see that this side is up a little more, it looks like, or it's probably been pushed over some. I don't know. I really don't know. And I like how when I went out and bought headlights for this, well, the bulb, I was buying new ones, and I could have looked right here instead of looking on the stupid, taking like 2 hours at Walmart looking for the right bulb. Yeah, could have looked, me and my girlfriend could have looked right here. Okay, H11. But no, we didn't think about that. So, that kind of what took us a little while at Walmart that day. So that was honestly, I kind of like looking at them headlights. I don't know why, but I don't know. It's pretty fun, honestly. You know. You have these vents right here. I kind of want to make them to where it's like actually functional. You know, hope get some air to my brakes a little more. That honestly would help. Y'all think I should keep this color or change it? And don't worry, I'm getting tint soon put on it. But you think I should keep this car this color or change it? Just leave it down in the comments. Comment what color you think I should do down below. I honestly would like to know. Give me some suggestions, please, of what you think this car, what color this car would look good in. But like again with the headlights, I found a whole new headlight housing, whole new thing, and a whole new grill I'm gonna put on it. And I found Nismo like stuff I could put on, like side skirts and maybe the canards on the front. So this thing's gonna get pimped out, like cosmetics wise. But I'm also thinking about doing some stuff to the engine too. Honestly, I gotta say this thing sounds okay. Like the stock exhaust on it sounds okay on it. But you see what I mean? I mean, yes, it's just a 4-cylinder, but hey, 1.8, and I was like 1.8 liter. Yeah, I mean, really not much, but gets me from place to place. So I'm happy with it. Of course, you have the inside. Don't mind the trash, all that. I need to clean. I need to vacuum it out. The Boss Audio Systems. Yeah, gets me from place to place. Just, I like it, and it's good on gas. So that's a plus. Yes, sir. Yeah, this is my 2013 Nissan Sentra. His name is Destiny. Yeah, gotta keep it going from the truck. Yeah, leave a like on this video if you want more. Leave a like and comment if you want to see more of the car. And hit that subscribe button. You gotta love this, I know. But leave a like if you want to see more of the car on this channel, you know. But this YouTube video ain't over yet. Of course with the no trespassing sign, but besides that, yep, I'm still down here. Just listening to the birds and getting some of that fresh air. I might go to Reedy, or I just might go down to the shores. I see, be back when I get there. Maine is very windy here at Reedy. Going back to my car. Destiny. The Destiny. Yes, sir. Now I'm back at Lake Clinch. Haven't been out at this dock. Haven't been at this dock in a little while. Man. Hey babe, I know you can watch this, but there's our houses. Well, want to be house. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.